my name is Asia Farrar, and I will be doing problems 5 through 7. Problem number 5 is asking us to find the slope function, and it gives us 2x plus 5 over 3x minus 2. And since we have an x in both the numerator and the denominator, we know that we will be using the quotient rule. The quotient rule says that, v times derivative of u minus u times derivative of v all over v squared. So in this case, the numerator is u and the denominator is v. So if we plug this into the quotient rule, v is 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 5. We'll take the derivative of that later. Time minus u, which is 2x plus 5 times derivative of v. And this is all over v squared. V squared is again the denominator. 3x minus 2. So focusing more on the numerator, we don't have to change anything about 3x minus 2. So that stays the same. When we take the derivative of 2x plus 5 turns to 0, and we just use the number that's in front of the x, which is 2. Minus 2x minus 5 stays the same. In this case, negative 2 turns to 0, and then we're using the number that's in front of the x, which is 3. Focusing more on the numerator, because the denominator is just going to stay like that. We distribute the 2, and we distribute the 3 to within the parentheses. 2 times 3x is 6x minus 4. And then we have minus, this is still in parentheses, 6x plus 15. Since the negative is outside of parentheses, we distribute the negative to everything that's inside of the parentheses. So we have 6x minus 4 minus 6x plus 15. Okay, we have 6x and a minus 6x, so those cancel out. And now we have negative 4 and 15. Oh, this is negative 15, sorry. So now we have negative 19 as the numerator. And again, like I said, the denominator is the same, which is 3x minus 2 to the second. So this is the answer for problem number 5. Okay, so for problem number 6, we will be looking for the derivative of 2 over x to the 5th minus x to the 11th plus cosecant 4 minus 4 square root x to the 3rd. So before we do anything, we have to get rid of all of the, we have to get rid of this because it's in the denominator. We have to get rid of the radicals and exponents that's in the denominator. So to get this out of the denominator, we change the 5 to negative. So we're going to have 2x to the negative 5th. Now we keep this the same because we're not yet finding the derivative. Keep this the same as well. And now we have this. If we have the square root of x, the 2 will be on the outside and 1 will be on the inside. And then this will be equal to x to the 1/2. In this case, the 1 is a 3. So we're going to have x to the 3, and then the 2 is the 4. X to the 3 over 4. Negative. So now we find the derivative. F prime of x equals. So now we have to use the exponent and multiply times the first number. And then we multiply, we do the exponent minus 1. Now we do the same for this one. We have 4x. Then we do the exponent minus 1 again. So when we have cosecant to the 4, well, cosecant 4, this is automatically 0. And now when we have x to the 3/4, the 3/4 goes to the front. And then we do 3/4 minus 1. Now I'm breaking this down a little bit more. We have negative 10x minus 6, negative 4x to the 3rd. We don't have to add that 0. We have negative 3/4x to the negative 1/4. So this is the answer for number 6. Now moving on along to number 7, we are focusing on what is the product rule. The product rule is the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first. Thank you very much, and that is our